In Kendall's competitive commercial property market, property value is driven by various factors, including location, aesthetics, energy efficiency, and security. Among the impactful yet sometimes overlooked improvements is the timely installation of commercial windows. Upgrading or replacing outdated windows in a commercial building can significantly enhance its value, making it more appealing to buyers, tenants, and customers. Here's why timely commercial window installation can make all the difference for property owners in Kendall. Enhancing curb appeal for a positive first impression. First impressions are crucial in the world of real estate and business. The exterior of a commercial property is the first thing potential buyers or tenants see, and outdated, damaged, or unattractive windows can create a negative perception. Conversely, installing modern, stylish windows can transform the appearance of a building, giving it a fresh, clean, and professional look. New windows can complement the building's architecture, add a touch of elegance, and convey that the property is well maintained. This curb appeal boost makes a strong positive impression, attracting potential buyers and tenants who appreciate aesthetically pleasing and well cared for properties. Improving energy efficiency and lowering operating costs. Timely window installation can lead to significant improvements in a building's energy efficiency. Older windows may be single pane or poorly insulated, causing substantial energy loss. In a warm and humid climate like Kendall's, keeping cooling costs in check is a major concern for property owners and tenants. New energy-efficient windows, often featuring double or triple glazing, low E, low emissivity coatings, and advanced insulating materials, minimize heat transfer and improve indoor temperature regulation. By reducing the strain on heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems, modern windows can lower utility bills and make the building more cost-effective to operate. Buyers and tenants are increasingly seeking energy-efficient properties, as these buildings offer lower operating costs and a smaller environmental footprint. This increased demand directly translates to higher property values. Enhancing comfort and attracting high-quality tenants. Commercial properties need to provide a comfortable environment for employees, customers, and visitors. The right windows can greatly contribute to this comfort by reducing drafts, eliminating hot spots, and allowing for better control over indoor temperatures. Timely window installation ensures that a building offers a pleasant working or shopping environment. Natural light, often made more abundant with modern window installations, can also boost occupant well-being and productivity. Bright, inviting spaces tend to attract high-quality tenants, such as established businesses looking for a modern, energy-efficient, and comfortable location. These tenants are often willing to pay a premium for such properties, ultimately raising the overall value of the building. Improving security and safety. Security is a top priority for commercial properties. New window installations often come with advanced security features, such as reinforced glass, impact-resistant designs, and high-security locking mechanisms. This level of security can deter potential break-ins and provide peace of mind to tenants and property owners alike. For properties located in Kendall, where severe weather events are a concern, impact-resistant windows offer an added layer of protection against wind, flying debris, and storms. This extra safety measure is highly valued in the market, enhancing the appeal and value of the property. Reducing noise pollution for a quieter environment. Kendall is a bustling area, and noise can be a problem for many commercial properties. Noise pollution can negatively impact customer experience and employee productivity, especially in offices, retail spaces, and hospitality establishments. Modern window installations often come with soundproofing technology, such as double or triple panes and insulated frames that reduce outside noise. By creating a quieter indoor environment, businesses can operate more effectively, and property owners can highlight this feature when marketing their space. This noise reduction capability can increase tenant satisfaction and contribute to the property's overall value. Low maintenance costs and durability. Timely commercial window installation often means choosing high-quality, durable materials that require minimal maintenance. Modern windows are designed to withstand weather, resist wear and tear, and maintain their appearance over time. Features such as easy-to-clean coatings and weather-resistant frames reduce the need for frequent upkeep and repairs. Lower maintenance costs make the property more attractive to potential buyers and tenants, as it signals lower ongoing expenses and less hassle. This durability factor can raise the property's value, offering peace of mind that the building's appearance and performance will remain strong for years to come. Conclusion: investing in property value with timely window installation. For property owners in Kendall, timely commercial window installation offers a multitude of benefits that go beyond aesthetics. By enhancing curb appeal, improving energy efficiency, boosting security, and creating a more comfortable environment, new windows can dramatically increase property value. Whether you're looking to attract high-quality tenants, reduce operating costs, or simply elevate the look of your commercial space, investing in modern windows is a powerful way to achieve your goals. Ultimately, a timely window upgrade positions your property to stand out in Kendall's competitive market, making it a valuable, sought-after asset that provides lasting returns.